Hello, I just got some fan mail today, so I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. So if that interests you, it's coming up right after this. All right, I got my first fan mail today. We'll go ahead and open that up on here. Sounds like Lego. This is it right here. Oh, there's a letter on it too. Yeah, he brought this to me personally, so didn't know it was coming today. From Ken. You may have seen him on my live video. He lives here locally and wrote a letter. Let's read the letter. My wife and I bought these for you at the leading of God's Holy Spirit to support your channel. You are still a very kind man after all the stuff you have been through. Have fun. Barb and Ken. Or Ken and Barb. So let's open the box and see what they are. So I'll set this right here. They got them from Amazon. I guess there was some sale going on Amazon. I believe everything, every Lego there was 20% off, I believe. I'm also be picking another one up today. Target. Found out about on YouTube. I can't remember what it was. That it's exclusive. We'll be picking up that this afternoon or tomorrow too. Sure when yet. After this, I do this video, and then I'll make a video of that one too. All right, yeah, I should say it's 4 sets, but it's 3 sets. All right, first we got this one here. It's a Lego Creator 31131, the downtown noodle shop. I could definitely use that. Put that in my city. Got 529 or 569 pieces. Creator 131. It's got a. I don't really tell you what it has. I know there's a noodle shop, which looks like it folds open. Yeah, it does. So it could be closed in. Doesn't say what all 3 of them are anywhere. Looks like it has 1, 2 minifigs. Yeah. Doesn't say what all 3 of them are. Yeah, the noodle shop. And it looks like a bike shop of some sorts. And I'm not sure what this one is. Motorcycle shop, maybe? Can't really tell. Or maybe there's just all different versions of the noodle shop. This here looks like it might be like a exercise place, or and then maybe a bike shop. He's got the bike being fixed right there. And of course, we have the noodle shop here. I'll probably do the noodle shop. I usually got to see what I do. So there's a noodle shop. This one I was kind of pretty excited for. At the Indiana Jones. Been wanting this for a while. It's got 3 minifigs. It's a 77012. It's a fighter plane chase. Been wanting to get the plane because I have no planes in my city except for Luke Skywalker's X-wing and a TIE fighter. And it's got 387 pieces. That'd probably be the first one they build. There's the back. Did the wings come off for some reason? Oh, yeah, it's the one where he's going through the tunnel. That's right. Okay, and that was the original one. I can't remember. Which one it was. Oh no, it was Last Crusade. Yeah, it was Last Crusade. That's the favorite one. So it's got Sean Connery, which is Henry Jones Sr., and then of course it's got Indiana in it, and the fighter pilot. So those are 3 minifigs. Yeah, it's where he chases him and goes through the tunnel. So that's why the wings come off. He goes next to him. It got a picture of that scene right there, made in Lego. He's getting next to him, and as soon as he gets the other end, he explodes. That's kind of a funny one. You got that one. Sorry, I just hit the camera a little bit there. And then we got an epic calendar. Marvel. Spider-Man. Not sure who everybody is in this. We got Iron Man, Captain America, which I do not have those two, but I do have Spider-Man. I'm not sure who this is. So it looks like there's 4 there, somewhere in here. And it's 76267. It's 243 pieces total. So I'm actually going to probably just go ahead and open everything up. And that, get everything out, build it all. It usually consists of small mini builds, along with the minifigs. Like a tray and a tree. Looks like a dog. Can't tell what the golden part is. And it looks like a fireplace with a bunny. And it looks like some food. There's probably more than just that, because usually it's like 24 different spots. So I'm not sure what else is in there. Looking on the back, it doesn't really show much else. And it shows a dog, like a hockey thing here. So, see what's in that. So yeah, that's the 3 sets. So, hope you like this video, and subscribe and like, and keep up with the videos I'm posting. And especially these 3 here, I'll be building these and doing reviews on them and that. So thanks for watching. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.